Our solar system consists of the Sun, 8 planets, and surrounding them. The empty space around them contains a large number of comets and asteroids. The body is the center of the solar system. The 8 planets that make up part spinning around and moving in order. Planets, from the closest to the Sun to the farthest away, are called Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Every planet in the solar system has its own different features. Metal. Others are freezing of gas. Some are tiny planets, no bigger. Let's all go on a voyage through the solar system and have a look at the Sun first. You all, let's Sun. Body in the solar system. Gases. Explosions like millions. These explosions throw up giant flames 40 or 50 times bigger than our Earth. The Sun is like a huge ball of fire and light from its surface. Space, however, is our Earth is a heavenly and were it not for the Sun, it would be everywhere would be covered in ice. Life would therefore be possible, and we the heat given off by the during the summer. And yet, the Sun is millions of kilometers away from the Earth, and only 0.2% of the heat it gives off actually is so high, even though the Sun. What can the temperature on the surface of the Sun is 12 million degrees Celsius inside it. God has created the if the Sun everything on Earth would. However, if it were any further away, it would be covered. Either way, life impossible. Polar regions, which receive less heat from the sun, are permanently covered in ice. Leads to a moderate climate on the earth capable of supporting life. This is one of the signs of God's love for us. If He had not created the ideal distance between the sun and the earth, possible. If the sun were any larger or any smaller, or if it were any closer to or any further away, it would be impossible to planet. However, God has created the sun, the earth, and the order in the sky in such a way as to allow us to live in comfort. Another from the Quran tells us how the sun and the moon are is subservient to you, and the sun and moon and stars all subject to His command. There are certainly signs in that for people who use their intellect.